Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about median high function from statistics module in Python. So this median high function is used to return the high median of numeric data in the list. But in case if your data is empty, then this function will raise the statistics error. The high median is always a member of the data set, but when the number of data points is odd, the middle value is returned. When the number of data points is even, then the large of the two values will be returned. So let's take the example from here in our previous video which we have used. So our list 1 over here had 3 elements, so this is odd, and list 2 had 4 elements, so this is even number of elements, right? Now if I, instead of this low, if I use this high, median high function over here, let me copy this median high and put it over here, and if I run it, you can see that we're getting the median as 3 and 5, while in our previous video when we had used median low, you can see that the for the same list we are getting the median value as 3 for list 1 as well as 3 for list 2. So this median high basically gives you the higher median of the given data set. And you should always use the high median when your data are discrete and you prefer the median to be the actual data point rather than the interpolated data point. Happy learning and see you in the next video.